Ecwid online store design tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to customize or design your Ecwid store. The first thing you want to do is create an Ecwid account if you don't have one as yet. You can get started for completely free by tapping on Get Started for Free. Once you have created your store, the next thing you will need to do is add products. To add products is quite straightforward. You could go over to the left-hand menu option, hover over Catalog, and tap on Products. From there, you can choose to add new product. If you are planning to import products, you can use AliExpress to do that. For example, you can use apps like Dropshipping, and you can also use Printful or Printify if you are planning to do print on demand. And as you may know, with Ecwid, you will be able to list up to 5 products so you can start selling right away. Now, to customize or edit your Ecwid store, the first thing you will need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option and hover over Website. From there, you're going to tap on Overview or Design. Then you will tap on Edit Site. After selecting Edit Site, you'll be redirected to the editor page. At the moment, this is how my website looks. You may be wondering, where did I get this theme from? To change the theme on your Ecwid store, you will tap on Settings in the top left-hand corner, then select Templates. From there, you can get access to numerous themes. So you can either choose a theme based on your category, so you could select apparel or health and beauty, electronics, services, home, or so on. Or you can tap on all templates and then scroll down and find a template of your liking. And you can preview the different templates by selecting preview template. You can see how it looks. So you can see how it looks right there. If you want, you could also choose to view a demo site. But we are just going to go back so you can select whichever one of these templates catches your eye. After you have selected the template, you're going to go back and you can start customizing your template. To customize it, you're going to go over to the left-hand column and tap on Header and Menu. From there, you can choose to upload a logo. So you can see at the moment I have a text logo. I could tap on Change and I can choose either an image. So I could tap on Change Image, or I could choose a text logo. So that's how you'll be able to add the logo. You can also edit the navigation menu by tapping on the current navigation menu. You could add a menu item, so you could tap right there and you could add in the title. You can also add in the link, or you can add in the site page. So that's how you'll be able to add a page to the navigation menu. Excuse me. So you can do that if you want. If it is a case that you would like to delete an item from the menu, you can select the item, then tap on Delete Menu Item. After doing that, we can go back. And from there, you can select cover and headline. You could put in a tagline and you can change the cover image as you can see right here. You can also scroll down and you could change the Shop Now button. And if it is a case that you like to use a different intro instead of this one, you can tap on Add Section from the bottom left-hand corner and select Intro and Cover. Then from there, you can see different intros that you can use. So there are numerous template options that you can use. And talking about that, if you like to add an announcement bar to your page, you can use announcements. You can also add promo sliders, web videos, special offers, customer reviews, company info, delivery and payment, location. Whichever one of these you like to add to your store, you can do that. And to edit the product and collection section, you'll select it. And you can change the title. You can also change the product category, and you could also tap on design, and from there you can change the layout if you want. You can also tap on product card and you could change the aspect ratio. So I could change the aspect ratio as you can see right there. So you have numerous editing options on how you can customize it. You can change the background color if you want by tapping on background. We could change the background color to, for example, this. You can also tap on title and you could change the font style, and you can also change the font color. You could tap on the Shop All button, and from there you can also edit the button. So you could change the font and you can change the outline and you can also change the shape of the button if you want. So there are numerous editing options that you get access to on Ecwid, and the concept is the same. You can edit the About Us section by selecting About Us. You can see all of the pages that are currently on your website. If you would like to add a page, you'll tap right where you see Home Page at the top. Then you'll see the option Add More Pages. You're going to tap on that, and from there you'll be able to add more pages. Keep in mind, to add more pages you'll need to go onto their paid option. Once everything is finished and to your liking, you're going to tap on Publish in the top right hand corner. But before doing that, I'll normally select Preview to see how it looks. So you can see how it looks right there. Then you'll just tap on Publish and your website will now be live. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button